So here is an example of an application form where the user wants to, like, the customer wants to apply for an internet connection. So here he fills up a form, and then later on he will submit it. So once he, using our technology, when he send it via the chatbot, what we do is perform, optical character recognition, allowing us to get those, handwritten data and convert it to digital content, reducing, the time frame for customers. So this is how we do it. This is what happened on the backend whenever they send form. Second one is the selfie. So we take a picture, and then we try to recognize and detect it's a face and it's a selfie, allowing us to make sure that it's a single person and it's not an other objects. It's one way of our checking. So this one is an example of my passport. So where we send it, and then we try to analyze all those important details of what is an original passport. So we perform that. Once you can, the user can take a picture of that or scan it and then send it us. So this is an example of the image. So what we do here is this way. So here you can see we perform object segmentation, where we isolate those objects into the deepest level, and then if you look at it, we get all the identity of what an original, the unique identity of what an original passport is. Let's say, for example, the hologram. You can see it in your top right. This is the hologram, and then we can also use we get our image in this last part, and try to match it with our selfie, making sure that your information are correct. And then you can see here that we're performing optical character recognition. It should match with your registration form. So those are our ways, one of our ways to make sure that the validity is original and match with your application form. So here below is an example of what a fake passport is. So if you go back and see on the right side, you can see that the hologram is not correct, and then the measurement, if you compare it, the area here, the area of the measurement perform computation for the original versus the fake one, we can provide probability, the probability of what approximation on what should be the measurement of every labeled or identity or information that what's on your passport. So this is an example of a fake passport, and this is the example of real original passport. So this is the fake one. So here's our comparison, and and using trained models where we have validation on what is the original and what's the fake one. We could provide prediction statistics on, or prediction accuracy level, that this one's original and this one's the fake one. Yeah, thank you.